Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You will start by preparing the Raspberry Pi and the SSD so the change is reliable. First, make sure your Pi 4 EEPROM is updated to allow USB boot. This avoids manual OTP edits later. While you update, connect the SSD to a USB 3.0 port using a quality adapter and ensure the power supply can handle the drive. Once done, flash Raspberry Pi OS to a micro SD card to boot for cloning tools, and keep a backup of any important data. You now clone and configure the SSD as the root device. Boot the Pi from the micro SD, plug in the SSD, and confirm the block device name with LSB-LK so you don't overwrite the wrong disk. Then use Raspberry Pi Imager, DD, or rsync to copy the system onto the SSD, preserving partition alignment. This prevents slow performance. After copying, change /etc/fstab and /boot/cmd line txt to reference the SSD by UUID. Finish by switching the boot device and validating the setup under load. Power off the Pi, remove the micro SD, and boot from the SSD. Watch the ACT LED and check DMESC or systemtool status for root mount errors. If the SSD doesn't boot, reinsert the micro SD to adjust EEPROM settings or add USB storage quirks for troublesome adapters, and consider using a powered hub for power-hungry drives. One key troubleshooting tip: if boot stalls, revert to micro SD, verify UUIDs, and rerun the cloning step to ensure a clean copy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.